in north central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winnebago or near Rockford, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Rockford Airport, Poplar Grove, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Timberlane and New Milford, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 59 and 68. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Aviators Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Rock Valley College, Rockford Aviators Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a marine